Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather brief. We have some mostly sunny skies out there this morning. Winds have not increased as much as of yet. We'll see those winds increase today. We'll see gusts up to 45 miles an hour during the afternoon, so that's the big headline for today. Will be the windy conditions with a wind advisory likely to be issued in the next hour or so here at Wallops. We were able to cancel it early this morning, but we'll reissue it once the winds do reach that 25 knot criteria. Looking at our surface analysis this morning, we have a very strong area of low pressure across New England down into the 970s, producing strong winds as well as heavy rain across New England. Seeing those strong winds extend down into the Middle Atlantic region, and with this tight pressure gradient across our region today, we'll be seeing those winds gusty and strong for the late morning and afternoon hours. Looking at our current conditions this morning, we had a few clouds at 3,000, 5,000, 25,000 feet. Winds were out of a west-southwesterly direction at 260 degrees at 10 knots and gusting to 19 knots, temperature 54 degrees, and relative humidity at 54%. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we have some lower cloud cover across the Appalachian Mountains and streaming over the Appalachian Mountains towards the Delmarva Peninsula. We'll see that cloud cover increase for the afternoon hours around 5,000 feet. Also have some serious cloudiness associated with a jet streak that's moving through the region. That's going to be moving overhead for the next several hours and giving us some ceilings around 25,000 feet. Looking at our radar imagery this morning, you can see some rain showers across Pennsylvania associated with that area of low pressure and the strong wind gradient causing some orographic uplift over the mountains and giving those areas some enhanced showers due to the lakes as well as the orographic uplift. So seeing a few light rain showers across northern and western Maryland this morning. Won't see any of that here at Wallops today with a 0% chance of rainfall. Looking at our HRRR model today to give you an idea what the radar may look like. Here's 8 a.m., 9, 10, and moving into the afternoon, here's noon. You can see that rain shower activity as across Pennsylvania kind of dries up. And then moving into the evening hours, not really seeing much on the radar at all as high pressure starts to build in to the Wallops region. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have that 0% chance of precipitation and lightning today throughout the next 24 hours. Our winds will be gusting up near 36 knots out of the northwest late this morning into the afternoon hours, sustained to 18 to 23 knots. And those winds gusting in the mid-30s for knots or in the 40s to mid-40s will continue into the late afternoon and early evening hours. We'll see a high around 63 degrees today. Seeing that uptick in cloudiness for this afternoon with mostly cloudy conditions as well. So we'll feel quite chilly out there with the winds gusty as well as those temperatures only in the lower 60s. Our low tonight will be around 47 degrees as winds decrease and lighten to allow for those temperatures to fall a bit more into the mid or upper 40s by Friday morning. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions expected in the next 24 hours. A chance we do have a broken deck around 5,000 feet after 10 o'clock, as well as expected conditions of broken deck around 5,500 feet after 1,400 local. And that'll last through about 7 o'clock this evening or 1,900 local. And then by tomorrow morning at 8 local, we'll just see some scattered clouds around 3,500 feet. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Friday through Saturday, Friday will be partly to mostly cloudy and slightly breezy, a high of 63 degrees, a green chart. We'll see those wind gusts around 20 knots, so well below that 25 knot criteria. Friday night will be mostly clear and cooler, a low of 40 degrees. That'll be the coolest temperature that we've seen so far in quite a few weeks, so it will be quite chilly on Saturday morning, and once we move into Saturday afternoon, it will become partly cloudy with abundance of upper level cirrus cloudiness, so some filtered sunshine, pleasant conditions, a high of 65 degrees, green chart across the board. So Saturday looks like a beautiful start to the weekend. That'll complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. We're back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.